Choose to create value in this account. Choose to create content. You know, this is where somebody tells me they don't have content. And I've spoken to many ladies.
Yeah.
And I said, do you know that being in your house, if you don't have a job as a woman, do you know that you can sit and start showing people how to cook? Let's talk about that. Just cooking.
Yeah.
Every time you get into your kitchen, maybe you are good at cooking mire, karo.
Yeah.
Maybe you're good at cooking matoke. Can you start doing this right in your home? In your kitchen. The house mothers who say we don't have jobs. You have an iPhone 16, 14, 10. You have very beautiful phones. Imagine that you have chosen to do this. You're targeting yourself that I want to be trained on how to create content right in my home. Are you aware that you are able to build your Facebook and start earning millions of money out of it? I know most people would not know. And when you tell someone, say, no, me, myself, I'm not a social media person. I don't go there, but I always go in.
Yeah.
But do you know that now, when you change your perspective, you change your mind and know, I am here to create.
Exactly.
You see, when you're creating, which means you're putting out something that will be able to bring you returns. Many have followers, 10,000, 20,000, but they do not even know what to do bringing out the account. And that's why we're here to give you this information, guys, and show you that you can be trained. You can put in your investment and say, I am going to be trained on how to do my social media.
Yep.
And as you're a housewife or you are somebody who is even working, the side income you can create is online.
Very true, Brian. And when you spoke about the training, reminds me of the training you've had. I attended one of your trainings in 2020, and I recently attended one of your other trainings.
Yeah.
And sometimes when people hear that you can actually earn money from social media, one of the things that comes to their mind, like how? That's the first question.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that you brought up, because one of the things that I believe personally is investing in yourself.
Yeah.
Because sometimes why we're not making money is because we do not want to actually lose the small money we have to be able to create more money.
Yeah.
Because that's how money works. You have to be able to forego an amount of money for you to be able to create more money. And again, you mentioned even how much you charge, and I'll not forget. I know we have international audiences who may be interested in such kind of a training, and I think maybe just say 1 million is about
$300.
Yeah, about $300.
Yeah.
So for those that want to either learn, be part of the program that Bravo does, I've attended the trainings, and I would really, really recommend them. And I want to say that with consistency, sometimes somebody's like, but I only have 200 followers or 200 friends. How would that transform into being able to make money? And I would share from my personal experience. I'll tell you that yes, I may have about, let's say, 6,000 followers. But you see, when you consistently grow your followership, you're growing your audience, because social media is an investment. Today we are creating such kind of videos, but this video can actually pay you even after 5 years, because this is content that is on a platform. And for anyone who wants to be able to earn from social media, one of the aspects that you first need to put your mind is being able to be patient and consistent, because it's about, you see, what we call the algorithm. This is artificial intelligence behind the system that is studying how you post your content. And continuously, if at all this AI realizes that you're a consistent creator, now they start to rank you. Recently, Facebook gave me that notification where they said, you've posted high quality photos, we are now giving you more visibility 10 times. So you see that the more you create, the more visibility that you are able to create. And I think that could be how you've been able to grow, let's say, to the 150 plus followers that you have. So I don't know if you just want to maybe share also